Tell her all about them.
I'm going to tell her the model. So, here is the Roomba I ate with self-improvement. And here, so most famous Roomba 6 and the 2 without self-improvement.
Why is it famous?
Because you have to empty it out to show you how.
Yeah, show her how.
Can I show her how empty both of them?
Yeah.
Take out the dustbin. Can I show her the dustbin on both of them?
Sure.
Show her who I ate for.
Okay.
You see?
Yeah.
I'm gonna put it in the I ate too. I'm not going to show you guys the 6 and the 2 dustbin.
Another day you will?
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, just want to show you guys that I ate the green dustbin.
So how do you start it,
So
Emmett?
I'm going to show her.
You press start?
Yeah.
And what are they going to do?
Clean up his mess.
Yeah.
I'm starting them. I see.
All right.
Can we let them clean his mess?
Bye.